Hi, welcome to your first Belooga tutorial video. I'm going to be walking you step by step on how to record the best video possible. We are going to be focusing on how to impress your future employer by working on 3 things. Firstly, before you hit record, be aware and satisfied with your surroundings. This will save you a lot of time. Be certain that there is no external noise. No one likes a crying baby or your mother asking you from the background what you want for dinner. Also, remember that lighting is key. So you do not want to be in a place which is too dark or a setting which is too bright. Next, dress appropriately and dress the way you want to be perceived. We suggest picking an outfit that you would wear to your dream interview. Michael Jordan once said, "When I look good, I play good." So keeping his advice in mind, remember to look your best. Finally, it may take you numerous attempts to get your elevator pitch right. You are not Leonardo DiCaprio, so do not worry about, what's the line? Messing up and re-recording. Best of luck.